iPhone say 2nd of May not adopt design language of iPhone X. Apple may remove the headphone jack. A10 Fusion sock may make its way into iPhone say 2Rs. 26th 1990, expected, performance quad-core, 2.34 GHz Apple A10 Fusion 2 GB RAM display 4.5 inches, 11.43 centimeters, 640 by 1136 px, 290 ppi IPS LCD camera 12 MP primary camera dual color LED flash 1.2 MP front camera, Retina flash battery 1750 mAh non-removable summary display and configuration. The Apple iPhone say 2 features a 4.5-inch IPS LCD, 640 by 1136 pixels, multi-touch display with capacitive touchscreen. The display has a pixel density of 290p. The smartphone is managed by a 2.34 GHz quad-core processor seated upon Apple A10 Fusion chipset coupled with a 2 GB RAM and PowerVR GT 7600 Plus GPU. The device runs on iOS V10 operating system sailing upon 64-bit architecture. It has a fingerprint sensor for more security. Camera and battery. The Apple iPhone say 2 boasts of a 12 MP main snapper with dual color LED flash at its rear and a 2 MP front-facing selfie shooter with Retina flash. The main camera can capture 4K resolution images and also features digital zoom, auto flash, digital image stabilization, face detection, touch to focus. The smartphone is fueled by 1,750 mAh LiPo battery. Storage and connectivity. The Apple iPhone say 2 packs 32 GB of inbuilt storage, and the memory expansion remains non-existent. For networking and sharing, the Apple iPhone say 2 offers a lot of options such as single SIM, 4G with VIVO LTE, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, GPS, Bluetooth v4.2, NFC and USB. Verdict. The Apple iPhone say 2 comes with an impressive design and a powerful processor under the hood. Loaded with useful camera features, the phone impresses with its photography capabilities as well. Great option if you are looking for a low-budget Apple iPhone. New features. The new iPhone say won't be a flagship, so you shouldn't expect any totally new features. It's more a question of which features will trickle down from the top-end iPhone X and 8 Plus. Face ID. This is the biggie, and if we are looking at an iPhone say with Face ID, it would imply that we're also getting an edge-to-edge screen and no home button. According to Ming Chi Kuo, the iPhone X say, the LCD version of the bigger iPhone coming in the autumn, will indeed get Face ID, the same controversial but impressive biometric tech as on the iPhone X, which also means Animoji and, we presume, portrait mode on front-facing selfies. Oddly enough, since the analyst predicts a single camera lens on the rear of the X say to keep costs down, we could end up in the situation where portrait mode is available on front but not rear-facing shots. However, if Apple is going to launch an update to the existing say model, then the Touch ID home button is likely to remain. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and share comments like. Thanks you for watching.